Here's how to send voice notes on TikTok in 2026, the new feature. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Voice notes let you send short audio messages to friends, collaborators, or in DMs without typing. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom to open your messages. Select the person or group you want to send a voice note to. In the message box, tap the microphone icon next to the text field. Press and hold the mic icon to record your message. Speak clearly. Release to send instantly. Swipe left while recording to cancel, or just let go to send. You can record longer voice notes without worrying about length. Just keep holding the mic. Tap the voice message to play it back in chat. Update TikTok to the latest version. If your region doesn't support it yet, this feature may not appear. Voice notes are perfect for quick replies, collabs, and personal messages. And that's it. That's how you send voice notes on TikTok in 2026. Subscribe for more TikTok tips.